How to fix we removed something you posted on Facebook. So if you're trying to post something, or if you have posted something on Facebook and if Facebook removes that thing, like if you have posted something on Facebook and if the Facebook has removed that post from your Facebook, then what you need to do is simply open up your Facebook application and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon. Go for the settings, which is on the upper right. And once you're here on the three dots or the three bar, you can simply go for settings and privacy, and then you can scroll down again and you can go for settings. Under your settings, you can scroll down, and once you've scrolled down, now here you may have report a problem option. And once you're here, you can scroll down and you can go for help and support, and under help and support you will have report a problem option. Tap on report a problem and then you can simply tap on continue to report a problem, and it will start creating the report. And now you can choose include or don't include, and then you can scroll all the way down, or you can simply choose any one of the options. So if you're facing a problem with the post, then you can simply go for photos. And once you've chosen photos, now under the description or under the issue, you need to write that I'm not being able to post on Facebook, or if I have posted something, then Facebook is removing that post. So I have not violated any community guidelines or anything, and I want to fix that problem. And once you've entered all of the information, you need to tap on the send button, which is in the upper right. And once you've sent, now your problem will be fixed. So that's the only way to fix. You posted something on Facebook and Facebook has removed it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.